Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing two popular coding editors, CodeBlocks and Visual Studio Code. Let's start with CodeBlocks. CodeBlocks is a free open-source IDE mainly used for C, C++, and Fortran programming. Comes with built-in debugging, project management, and supports multiple compilers like GCC and Clang. One of its biggest strengths is that it's lightweight and doesn't require many system resources, which makes it perfect for beginners or people working on C/C++ exclusively. Now let's talk about VSCode. VSCode is a free open-source code editor by Microsoft that supports multiple languages from C++ to Python, JavaScript, Java, and more. It's extremely powerful because of its extensions and plugins, allowing you to customize your development environment the way you like. We'll go feature by feature so you can clearly see the differences and decide which one works best for you. Let's dive in. Type. Starting with CodeBlocks, it's a full IDE mainly designed for C, C++, and Fortran. It's built with these languages in mind and provides all the basics in one package. Contrast, VSCode is more of a lightweight code editor. It supports multiple languages and can be extended with plugins to function like a full IDE. Language support. With CodeBlocks, the language support is mostly limited to C, C++, and some basic Fortran. But VSCode takes things much further. It supports a wide range of languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, Go, and more, all thanks to extensions. Compiler. One big advantage of CodeBlocks is that it comes bundled with GCC or MinGW on Windows, so you can start coding right away. On the other hand, VSCode does not come with a compiler. You'll need to manually set up compilers like GCC, Clang, or MSVC depending on the language you're working with. Debugger. CodeBlocks includes a built-in GDB debugger, which is simple and works well for C and C++. VSCode, however, handles debugging through extensions. You can debug C/C++, Python, Node, JS, and many others, but you'll need to set up each one individually. Ease of setup. For beginners, CodeBlocks is easier. It's pretty much ready out of the box for C and C++. With VSCode, you'll need to do some manual setup, installing compilers, configuring paths, and adding extensions to get everything working. Interface. CodeBlocks has a more old-school interface. It works fine but isn't very customizable. VSCode, on the other hand, has a modern and highly customizable UI. You can change themes, layouts, and add plugins to completely personalize your coding environment. Extensions. CodeBlocks offers very limited extension support. VSCode comes with a huge marketplace of thousands of extensions, covering everything from themes to AI-assisted coding. Git integration. If you're working with Git, CodeBlocks doesn't have any built-in Git tools. You'd need to manage version control separately. VSCode, however, has Git and GitHub integration built right in, making version control much easier. Performance. When it comes to performance, CodeBlocks is lightweight and runs smoothly for small C/C++ projects. VSCode starts lightweight too, but as you add more and more extensions, it can become a bit heavier. Best for. Finally, CodeBlocks is best suited for beginners in C or C++, academic use, and small projects where you just need something simple. VSCode is better for multi-language developers, modern workflows, and larger cross-platform projects. That's it for today's comparison. Let me know in the comments which one you're using right now. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech breakdowns.